9 months ago, we were at ground zero helping family members, survivors, volcano survivors, helping them dig out their loved ones that were buried in the lava. It was tragic.
Mi nombre es Alberto de Jesús Michelara.
My name is Alberto de Jesus Michelara. As you can see, I am back again with my friend missionary Jonathan Farrant. We are in San Miguel Los Lotes, where I used to live. This was part of my home. Everything started on Saturday, June 2nd. My entire family and myself went up to Alotenango to a prayer vigil at church. The service got over very late, and my oldest sister Brenda, who was pregnant, and my younger sister and I decided to stay in San Juan Alotenango. My father, mother, and siblings decided to go back home here because my father had to work and my mother didn't want to leave him alone. On Sunday around 11 a.m., at that moment, something loud woke us up. We went outside to check what was going on, and we saw that volcanic rock and ashes were falling on the metal roofs. We were frightened and we decided to pray. Around 2:30, the sounds started to get louder, and I was able to see in the sky how it all rose and started heading towards our village. I called my father. I called them again and again, but they didn't pick up. There was no answer. I was scared and I didn't know what to do. We looked for help. We started calling other relatives and no one answered. It was chaos. Days went by and we couldn't find our family. Weeks went by. 15 days and even a month went by, and we were trying to find them. We finally decided to come here to work and look for them. We couldn't do it alone. We weren't able to do it with our own hands and strength. It wasn't humanly possible. God helped us, and someone loaned us large machinery to dig. We started removing all of the debris, but once we started looking and digging, the realization started to set in that they were no longer with us. We couldn't believe that our family was dead.
So this is Los Lotes, ground zero. And here is our group, and we are still searching for Alberto's family. We've had story after story of people that have lost their family members. Here's the hole right here. Hold on, we just found one of them. I don't know if I want to show you this. We have been able to retrieve 6 of Alberto's family, and we're just missing 2. By the end of the day, we'll probably have the rest of them. Bring some closure to him, and just be praying for Alberto, 17 years old, lost 8 family members. Nine months after the volcano eruption, we are here accomplishing a great big dream that we had to build homes for volcano survivors. Such a horrific tragedy, but in the midst of all of it, God has been glorified. He is at work, He is moving, and here we are. So many people have come together to help us build these houses. Alberto lost 8 family members, and he has been here on site helping. So much gratitude in his heart, and he has been here every day working, grinding, building his house, laying blocks, mixing mud, cement, and doing whatever he can to make this happen. So he's so thankful, and God's been so good to help build really family. We have a new family here in Guatemala that God has given us through the midst of a tragedy. We would have never expected it, but God is full of surprises and blessings. This block that's very significant in the process of our No Greater Love homes. It's been quite the journey. Block by block, we've been working for the last 9 months, laying block, cement, mixing. And this block right here is the last block. God is good, all the glory to the Lord. And I'm about to lay this block, and it's a victorious moment because so many people have been praying, been on board, helped us, and here we are, the final block. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for making this dream happen. Something that seemed impossible, but God made it possible. You were part of this vision, and together we are changing the world, restoring lives, and bringing hope.